Hello and welcome everyone. In today's episode of Inventory for You and Me, we will be looking at a concept called inventory valuation. What is inventory valuation? Inventory valuation is the process of calculating the monetary worth of all items that you hold in your store or warehouse in order to determine the profit or loss you have made during a particular period. Simply put, unsold items are a form of asset that belong to your business. You need to know their current value to plan your selling prices and associated business expenses. To understand why you should have an inventory valuation method in place, let's look at an example. Let's suppose you are selling sneakers of a particular brand at your store. Now, the cost of these sneakers, or any other item for that matter, tend to fluctuate during a year even if your sales prices remain constant throughout the year. In January, you bought 50 pairs of sneakers at the rate of $50 a pair. In February, you bought another 50 pairs, but at $51 a pair, owing to a rise in transportation costs. Then, the raw materials got cheaper in March, and you were able to buy 100 pairs of the same sneakers at $45 a pair. Now, you have a total of 200 pairs for the first quarter of the year. And their inventory asset value would be 50x $50, plus 50x $51, plus 100x $45, or in other words $2,500 plus $2,550 plus $4,500, making it a total of $9,550 worth of sneakers. During the first quarter, you sold around 90 pairs of sneakers at the rate of $120 a pair. Now, you have only 110 pairs left in your inventory, but you can't determine its inventory asset value without knowing exactly which 90 of the 200 pairs you sold. This can get really complicated if you have hundreds of SKUs in your warehouse. You need to employ an inventory valuation method to automatically determine which pairs of sneakers went out during each sale. Now, there are several different ways to go about inventory valuation like FIFO, LIFO, etc. So, in our next video, we will apply the same sample use case to understand how each of those methods calculates the asset value of the sneakers you sold and the sneakers you are left with to help you pick the right one for your business. That concludes the session on inventory valuation. We hope this was useful to you. Let's meet again for a new video on another topic. Until then, please stay safe and healthy. Cheers!